A Texas mother is the first woman to ask a court's permission to get an abortion since the overturning of Roe versus Wade. But the legal battle didn't end in Kate Cox's favor, forcing the mother of two from Dallas to go out of state for an abortion. She's now speaking for the first time since having the procedure. Reka Mudaraj is here now with the latest developments in Cox's fight. Reka.
Mia, as you know, we've been following this case, which has received national attention. Texas has some of the strictest anti-abortion laws in the country. And in her first interview with CBS Sunday Morning, Cox says she had a non-viable pregnancy and very few options. Cox was 20 weeks pregnant when she filed a lawsuit in early December. Her doctors had diagnosed her fetus with a fatal genetic disorder, and she had been to the emergency room 4 times during her short pregnancy at risk of a uterine rupture, which could jeopardize her ability to have kids in the future. Now, a Travis County district judge issued a temporary restraining order barring the state from prosecuting Cox, her husband, and her doctor if Cox chose to terminate their pregnancy. And a Houston doctor agreed to perform the procedure. But Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton issued a letter to local hospitals where that doctor had admitting privileges, saying the order did not protect them from potential legal action. The case was then brought before the Texas Supreme Court, which ruled against Cox, saying she didn't show proof that the pregnancy put her life in danger, one of the few exceptions to this strict abortion law. In an interview with CBS Sunday Mornings, Cox was emotional when she explained how she was forced to travel out of state for the procedure.
I wanted to be here, close to home. I mean, it's the hardest thing I've been through. I wanted to come home, cry on my own pillow, hold my babies. Be near my doctors. So I was really hopeful. That's really what I thought about most going into this.
Some of the people on this other side of the issue say, why not just have the baby naturally and whatever happens, happens?
Mm-hmm. I want more babies. I talked with our doctors and I didn't want her to suffer. I felt it was best for her, and I felt it was best for our family as well. We want to be able to have more babies. We want to give siblings to our kids.
You can see Kate Cox's full interview and with her husband on CBS Sunday Morning starting at 8 a.m. Back to you.
All right. Thank you so much, Ray.